In today's video, we'll be talking about why your smart bulb is flickering and how to resolve the issue. Your smart bulb may flicker due to voltage fluctuation. To address this, check if there's any electrical equipment operating simultaneously. Turn them off or move them to a 240-volt circuit and then see if the flickering stops. Another common cause of flickering is loose wiring. Over time, your electrical circuit may accumulate debris and dirt, which can disrupt the circuit. To fix this, inspect the wires connecting to the bulb. Tighten any loose cables and securely fasten the bulb. Check if this resolves the flickering issue. You might also experience flickering if you are using cheap bulbs or incompatible switches. If this is the case, replace your bulb with a high-quality smart bulb and ensure it is compatible with its switch. For these steps, you might need an electrician's assistance, as handling electrical systems can be dangerous if you're not a professional. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.